Hi guys, now I am in my office and I would like to make a cup of coffee to start my day. There are actually two parts of this 7&Me machine. For this part, you can put the coffee powder in the bottom part, and for this bottle, you can add whatever milk you like. Today I choose the coconut milk, and you can choose other kind of milk like oat milk or whole milk according to your personal preference. Click this button for 2 seconds and then you just started this machine. And today I would like to choose latte and then double click. Now it's working. Only takes 3 minutes to make a fine nice cup of coffee, and after you hear several beeps, then you can enjoy your coffee for today. Now let's see. And we can pour my coconut milk inside. Now I can enjoy my coffee right now. And all those bottles are really easy to clean. All you need is clean water and then you can wash them up. And this coffee machine is really convenient for people work at home, or you can just simply put them on your